Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody. Let's take a look at the gold market as usual. So guys, on the daily chart we see that whole previous week the market is turning in downward action mostly until it has hit the major support area here. We have discussed this on Friday. We said that this is some kind of Napoli bullish stretch pattern. It's a combination of the daily oversold with the fib level. So whether you would like to trade it on the long side or not, whether you will do this is your personal decision, because the stretch pattern, as I said, is very tricky. It's if you're not sure in your experience and your skills, it's better just to skip it, because when you're dealing with a stretch, it's action usually very choppy, since market is trying to move against the major tendency, and this is a bit nervous process when you're trading the stretch pattern. That's why many traders just ignore this pattern and do not trade it in a direction. So because we have the bullish stretch. At the same time, the most major importance of this pattern, of this this pattern, is that it just warns you. It's warning you that you should not go short right now. You could not trade it, but you should not go against it. So when you see the stretch, wait when the stretch will is housed and will hit its target, when the market will abandon uncomfortable condition of the oversold, and only after that think about the taking to short. So that's approximately our situation. So take a look that on Thursday market has tested and challenged this level, bounced up. On Friday again, it's trying to move here and was here it's probably some support and was also bounced up. But in general, guys, if you'll take a look at the weekly chart, you will see that here we have very nicely looking bearish engulfing pattern. And usually, bearish engulfing takes some kind of the ABCD shape on the lower time frame charts. For the weekly, it will be daily and the 4-hour time frame chart. Also, as a rule, when the pattern has formed, market shows minor return back inside of the body of this pattern. It's minor retracement, some kind of the BC leg is forming before the downward continuation based on this pattern is taking place. So that's approximately what we are waiting for here, and this is mostly corresponds to the patterns that we see on the intraday charts. So on the daily chart, it's very simple conclusion. Don't take the short position yet, but you would like to trade it on the long side, or you could try to do this because we have the stretch pattern in place. But personally, I probably recommend to not trade it on the long side, because not every trader could do this. It's a bit really tricky. That's why for us the major conclusion is that we need to wait a bit before taking the short position. So also, guys, very important moment. On Monday, do not place any orders on the opening of the market. Wait when some first reaction on the Turkey events will happen. Although they have started late on Friday, but the major part of these events have happened on Saturday and the Sunday, so that's why it's currently very difficult to say what real reaction will follow on the gold market. So maybe a reaction will be so that it will destroy all our current analysis. That's why once market will open, give market some few hours just to estimate the new levels where major tendencies will start to develop. So just give market some time to breathe, and after that we will see what really will happen, because upward action market could really open with the gap up slightly. What the gap will be, it's very difficult to say. I hope that will not be too significant, just to keep our analysis valid. So on the 4-hour time frame chart, we have the same pattern, this potential head and shoulders. Mostly we have discussed on Friday. As market has hit the neckline, we said probably some upward reversal should happen. So wedge has been broken, market turned up from the neckline, bullish divergence stance here that we have also discussed on Friday. So everything is okay. So market stands on upward action. Following the shape of this pattern, we suggest that market probably should reach an area around 13 1358, 1360 area. So that's where the top of the right shoulder should stand. So somewhere in this area. But precisely these levels we will be watching for on the coming week. On the hourly chart, guys, it's a bit interesting picture, since here we do not have the clear patterns that point precisely on these levels. I mean the 1360 area. If you will take into consideration this ABCD pattern, A, B, C bottom, you'll see that 1618 target will be below the major 618 level. That's why I think that's not really the pattern that we should rely on, and that's why I have chosen this butterfly. So this butterfly stands closer to the targets that we have discussed. So if you will see, it's 127 stands in the agreement with the major 618 resistance at 1354. 1618 stands at 1364. So it's also very close to the 1360. So maybe market will complete this butterfly to the upside action, especially if we will see the gap open on Monday. Some up prediction really could happen. So that's why in the beginning of the next week, we mostly will be watching for this pattern and completion of these targets. But to be honest, guys, it's not really very interesting for us what particular pattern market will form that will lead market to the target. The major importance for us is that market will reach this area and will form here some reversal pattern that will confirm the shape of the hand shoulders first on the 4-hour time frame chart, and that could give us an opportunity for taking the short position. Also, guys, take a look here. We could get some kind of the hand shoulders probably. So just recognize it. So 127. It's probably, this could be, for example, left shoulder, head. This could be right shoulder. Market could reach, for example, is there. Just let's calculate what ABCD we will get if this pattern will be formed from this level to that one. Right. Take a look precisely. So if market will show the right shoulder right at this level, so we will get some kind of the ABCD here. It will lead us for precisely at 1360 area. So maybe the hand shoulders will be formed. For that purpose, market need to wait to reach this weekly pivot point. The next week, this will be neckline, as you can see. Later, it will start to move down. We'll hit this bottom. So this could become the right shoulder. So anyway, we will just watching for the patterns. If market will start to form butterfly, the hand shoulders, we definitely will see it, and we'll adjust our targets of this of the patterns that will be formed here. As I said, it's not really important what pattern will be formed, since currently we do not trade gold on the long side. We're mostly waiting for a good chance for taking the short position. Well, that's why this is our current view on the market. That's been said. Currently, in the beginning of the week, we expect the upward action approximately to the 1360 area. Then we start to search for a possible taking the short position, watching for, as usual, watching for the bearish reversal patterns or something of that sort. And let's hope that we will get our setup on the market, and we will be able to enter this possible trade on the gold.